Vita Feliz. Let's vacation, let's go somewhere overseas. Took the polo off and switched to soccer team.
God, duh. Yeah. YouTube, what's good? This your boy SeeHendo, and I'm glad you guys are able to watch my unboxing today for this special release. You know, this is a Lebron box. You know how I am about the Lebrons. I've had this shoe for a minute, so let's just cut to the chase. Let's get to this unboxing, but before we do, be sure to subscribe to my channel. Be sure to comment and share this video. Appreciate y'all. There we go. Got the focus there. As you see, LeBron 16, size 11.5 men, 13 women. The colorway is court purple, tour yellow, violet court, and tour, which we obviously know what that is. Retail price is $185. And obviously you see the style code there at the bottom. So that's your standard LeBron box. All right, everybody, so here's the unboxing, or the shoes itself, actually, for the LeBron 16 Martin. And as you see, has that nice purple colorway for the shoe. Obviously, if you remember from the Martin show intro, especially on that first season, it started off with this purple colorway with that Martin logo that has the wording Martin. Now, one thing that you do notice is on the tongue, it does have a similar look of that Martin logo, but it has the LeBron logo instead of the Martin wording. So that's pretty dope. The laces, as you see, they come double laced. It has the orange and the yellow lacing. Very dope. Y'all see that woven material and that purple. The midsole has a couple of things that you remember from the Martin logo. Y'all see the inside there. That looks like either red or orange. I could be completely wrong on that, but let's look at the bottom of the shoe real quick. Has the LeBron logo in purple, has that blue and that white bottom, of course. Y'all see that LeBron logo there as well. And now on the inside of the shoe, you do see the Nike in yellow with the red outline and black outline, I'm sorry. So yeah, man, this is a dope shoe, man. I am very, very stoked about this shoe. To me, this is the best LeBron 16 that I've seen so far, outside of Watch the Throne, which I do have. The most important thing about this shoe, I will say, is the back, because the back has the quotes. So let's go to the back of this shoe real quick. Let me turn these around real quick. All right, I know you guys can see that back. Now, one thing about Martin is he always had the quotables and stuff. And if you remember, he would say certain things on the show. And the one thing that stands out to me, and rest in peace to Tommy, man. You know, unfortunately, he passed away at a very young age. But y'all see the GTD on there, which stands for Get the Draws. If you always know, that was one of his favorite quotes that he always say on the show. And let's see what else we got on here. All right, we see where he screams out Gina. All right, let's see what else we got here. You ain't got no job, man. You remember Tommy? Another thing about Tommy was that Tommy, I don't know what he actually is. So if you guys can leave the comments, I know they had an episode where Martin thought he was a stripper or whatnot, and yeah, long story behind that. But I never understood that what he actually did. But you see, he has that on there, and also has What's Up. If you remember on the show, his intro to his radio show that he was on, he would say that as well. And then you got Oh My Goodness from Shanae, of course. Let's see what else we got on here. Oh, it says fifth floor. It looks like this, bro man from the fifth floor. Well, it doesn't say bro man from the fifth floor, but it does say something about the fifth, which I'm assuming is gonna say from the fifth floor. That's probably from Broadman, if y'all can see it right there, from the fifth. And get to stepping. Y'all remember he used to kick people out of his apartment. He would tell them get to stepping. Let me see if I recognize any quotes on there. I don't know, man. Maybe you guys can see some of the quotes on there. But y'all do see that, man. I mean, look, man, this is a dope shoe. I'm glad they went hard on this thing. This is tough, man. I like this shoe a lot. I wish they could have went all out and did all the characters separate shoes, but you can't go wrong with this shoe, y'all. I mean, This is a dope shoe. I mean, I don't even know what to tell you. As you see the yellow swoosh in the back, I love this colorway, man. I'm not a Lakers fan, but this color does represent some of the Lakers. This would be nice with a Lakers jersey. It didn't come with any extra laces, I don't think. Don't see any extra laces. So if you did a lace swap on it, I don't know what kind of lace swap you would do on it, but I would say you could do some white lace. You probably do some black laces. You could do the yellow by itself, the orange by itself. Man, there's so many different variations of laces. Black. You can do all kinds of laces. I do notice the lace tips are purple. I'll bring it up close. They are purple. I believe both shoes are purple. I don't want to tell you that wrong, and they don't. But yeah, man, this is the LeBron 16, man. I think this is dope, man. LeBron 16 Martin. I think this is a great shoe. This is a must-have for your collection. If you're a 90s kid, you grew up to Martin, man, as you know, man, he's a part of that 90s phenomenon, man, growing up. So, man, this is a dope show, a dope shoe. I'm glad Nike finally did something, and trust me, man, it's worth it. It's worth it. So, definitely, man, must cop. Thank you for checking out my review for the LeBron 16 Martin. Let me know if you cop this shoe, man. Like I said, $185 retail and a little bit more with tax. I think this is a dope shoe. If I had to give it out of 10, I would give it an 8 out of 10 because I love this TV show. I mean, I don't know what else to tell you guys. Now, I didn't get to one thing in the shoe, which is the inside of it. It looks like there's a black midsole that's, or inside, I'm sorry, that has LeBron. It actually has LeBron spelled out. So it's pretty cool on that. Other than that, man, dope shoe. Hope to see you guys cop this shoe. I'm pretty sure it's gonna be on Sneakers app. I don't think they're doing a draw or anything, but this is a dope theme, man. I am very excited. And in the comments, tell me what your favorite episode is of Martin, if you have one. For me personally, I can only think of one right now, which was the Jodeci episode. If you guys remember, he acted damn fool. But man, the whole Varnell Hill episode was crazy. Varnell was in the radio station singing this little theme song. Pretty funny, man. But shout out to Martin Lawrence. Shout out to that whole crew, Tashina Arnold, you know, Tisha Campbell, you know, all those characters on that show. Rest in peace, Tommy, man. Yeah, man, this is a dope shoe, man. Hope you guys cop it. And be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Be sure to like, comment, and share this video throughout. I will do more LeBron videos for sneakers. I probably will do some Jordans if I get a chance to. And be sure to check out some more of my content, man. Y'all know the interviews I do and everything. So for everybody out there, keep working, keep doing your thing, and rest in peace to Nipsey Hussle.